Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add body effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So I just selected this one and I split the video in half, so like the before and the after. Then go to effects and go to body effects and choose the one you want for your video. I think for this one I'm going to choose this effect on it. You can also change the color of the effect, the filter here, and also the strength. And you're just going to adjust it till the end of the video. You can add more than one if you want to, like this lightning. I am going to delete the filters though, and I'm also going to change the color to a pink kind of vibe. You can also adjust the strength and the glow here. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!